Welcome, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to do some science today. We're going to make these. They're called fizzy presents. They're a lot of fun. Let me show you what we have to do. We have to take baking soda and put it in here. We need 1 full cup of baking soda. We're going to put it into our bowl here. Then the next thing we need to do is mix up our color. We're going to use green. You can use any color you want, or even leave it white if you want. So we need to take 4 teaspoons of water. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to add some color to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those also. And we're going to stir it up. Okay. Then we add it to our baking soda. We use a fork to mix this up. When you're mixing this, it's going to kind of be like Play-Doh. If you ever made Play-Doh before, it's kind of that same consistency, a little bit stickier though. So that's what we got to do. Mix it all up. And then this mixture is going to go into a silicone ice tray. If you don't have that, you might want to try a regular ice tray. It might work. So we're going to take it. We already did one down there. We're going to take it and we're going to put some in the bottom. Got some in the bottom. I got to take that out. And then you have to put a little present inside. We got one right here. It's a little candy cane. Do you see that? Let me put it close. So we're going to put that inside the mixture. See on the bottom there? We have one over here already starting. Then we're going to put more mixture in here. Cover it up. Cover it up. There we go. Now you can make a whole tray full. That's what we did earlier. So you can see we have a lot of them here. And then you're going to make a bow with your pipe cleaner. Moms and dads, you can do that. You can help them with that. Make sure you leave a little stick at the end, because what you have to do, I got to cut this off. And you have to stick that inside. Stick it down there, okay? Then you're going to put this in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Maybe a little longer if you can. And then what's going to happen, you're going to get these. These are our little presents. What you have to do is you have to take some vinegar. You can pour it into a little jar or a little cup. And then, boys and girls, we're going to use an eyedropper. Now, eyedroppers, moms and dads, are really good for those fine motor skills. They're the pinchers, okay? So you're going to use the eyedropper, and you're going to put it on here. And you may not be able to see it or hear it, but it's fizzing. Let me do it a little closer. It's fizzing all the way. We're going to keep doing this. And what happens as it fizzes away, you're going to come up with that little present that you hid in there. So moms and dads, you can do this for an activity. You can do it for Christmas, a Christmas gift. Birthdays, this would be great for a little birthday party for your family. So you keep doing it. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's all fizzing. Now, to get to the very bottom, could take a little while. But while they're doing this, this is, again, wonderful fine motor skills. So I'm going to pull out our ribbon. Here we go. I see a little surprise at the bottom. Let's see that ribbon's in there nice and tight. All right, let's keep doing it. Do you guys see anything coming? Do you see anything appearing, a present? I think I do. I keep doing it. Moms and dads, again, this is another one of those little bit of messy projects, but one, they're learning about science, but also using those fine motor skills. It's nice to have this ribbon on here so that you can hold it while you're doing it. This would also be a fun project you could do in the bathtub. So if things get all over, it's okay. But you got to make sure that you use vinegar to dissolve that. You could use warm water. Warm water would work. It would take a little bit longer, and you wouldn't really get the fizzing effect. And I think the boys and girls would like the fizzing effect. Oh, I see my surprise right here. Look what I have, boys and girls. Look what I found inside my little present. It's a little Santa. That was lots of fun. Moms and dads, the only thing I want to caution you on is when you put little presents in there, don't put anything that's paper because that will dissolve. Put something that's plastic. I hope you enjoyed that today, boys and girls, and maybe you can try this at home too. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, do what we do at school. Be kind, be safe, and wash your hands.